cutting the lawn with the Toro timemaster. It's got the electric start. Even if you've got the kill switch, it's the same thing, and it wouldn't shut off. So here's the wire for the kill switch. It's come undone. So I had to turn it off. So I just unplugged, like pulled off the spark plug. That turned it off. So we're gonna see what the issue is. What we've got to do is we've got to take off the 3 bolts up top here. It's an 8mm. And then this cover will just come off. Sorry, trying to do this one hand here. So both, that just comes right off. And as you see, right here is where the kill switch wire was, and it's come undone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this off. I'm gonna pull that off. I'm gonna just clean that up a bit, get a new depth of the copper wire there, and we'll reinstall that. So I'm gonna just turn this off and I'm gonna do that, and I'll come back. All right, I didn't have a quick connect that was small enough, so I had to run to the store and grab one. So on this one, it's the .187 female, and you need a 22 to 18 gauge. And then I had to strip the wire back just a little bit to get this on, clamped it on. So now we'll reroute this. It was just under here. Okay, I'll just kind of pull that wire so it's not sitting on that. All right, so everything's back together. Super simple to do. So I'll get the cover back on and we'll start this up, make sure it's good to go. All right, got the cover back on. So let's start this up and make sure that the kill switch actually works. Perfect. All right, hope this helps somebody.